Welcome to Adventures by Nap. We are Lyla, Daisy, Callum and Siân, and we are off on an epic adventure on board the Disney Fantasy around the Western Caribbean, followed by a week in the beautiful Floridian sunshine. So come with us for the trip of a lifetime.
Good morning, say good morning.
Good morning.
It's 5:10. Look what's just arrived. Last night we put in our order for breakfast for room service because we knew we would be hungry before Cabanas opened. So we've got some fruit, some cereal, and then under here should be some Danishes and toast, I think. Right, should we have some food and have some coffee and have some juice? So good morning. It's just gone 6 a.m. We've had breakfast in the room and we were very conscious of the noise we were making. So we said, you know what, let's come and explore the ship whilst it's quiet. Look at this, there's literally nobody around. This atrium gets so busy. Yeah, we just thought we'd come for a bit of explore because we literally haven't even scratched the surface of this ship yet. We've seen Enchanted Garden for dinner, top deck, pool deck and deck 4. That's literally all we've seen. So we've come for and explore. It's pretty rocky this morning. It is. I think we're heading into some like headwind. Oh, there's Royal Court there, so that's one of the restaurants. So it's a bit like not. I don't feel sick, do you?
No.
You can just yeah. Sometimes you have to kind of like rebalance yourself, but it's beautiful. The girls are up here now. Oh, wow! I just need to show you as well. Daisy's got her birthday jumper on that our bestie Alex made for her. Happy birthday, Daisy. And I've also got one on by Alex. So this is Tangled Threads. We absolutely, I mean, a little bit biased because she's my bestie, but how amazing are these jumpers? Oh, Lyla's doing the splits. What are you doing up there? What's that in there? Oh, that's where we came in. It's very like camouflaged, isn't it? And they've got everything set up for PIXAR Day at Sea. There's another like inside out photo op over here. And look, there she is, star of the show, Minnie. How amazing. I feel like yesterday was so overwhelming that I don't know whether I said anything helpful in the vlogs at all. So I think because it was just like, oh my goodness, we're here, we made it. We're on this massive ship, so hopefully today can be a bit more informative, but I also do think today's going to be overwhelming too because it's PIXAR Day and there's just literally constant stuff going on, and I need the girls to nap today because it's a late night, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I'll stop talking and let's go exploring.
On deck 4 after the ship you will find Europa, an array of European themed adult only bars, lounges and nightclubs. Be transported to Italy at La Piazza, share a pint at the traditional Irish pub O'Gill's, go underground in London at the Tube, experience an upscale lounge with panoramic views of city skylines at the Skyline Bar, or unwind at the romantic champagne bar Lyla.
I don't want this to be as weird as it seems, but I'm in the gents at the moment, near all the like nightclubs and bits, so near the Tube and Lyla. This bathroom is ridiculous. Look at lines of mosaics and everything. And there's like these cool little like slide down doors, and it's ridiculous. The detail is crazy.
Back towards midship on deck 4, you will also find the D Lounge. This is your family-friendly lounge which hosts karaoke, trivia, game shows, dance parties and so much more throughout your cruise.
This is fun.
So fun. I wonder how many pucks they've lost over the side though. It's really windy. I'm hoping my muff is doing the job. Blocking out the wind. But it's so warm. And it's actually beautiful. I thought it was going to be really like dreary, but it's like bright, isn't it? So nice. This is literally my happy place. Look at this. So one of the things that frequent Disney cruisers do is they hide rubber ducks around the ship. We got one yesterday, didn't we? And
yeah,
we just found.
She was fed up of...
Yeah, she didn't want to hide them anymore. But look, so show the outside. There's a little passport, and then inside it tells you who's hidden it. So it says, "Oh, what? Look, you found a duck from Rod and Judy, and they live in Florida." And then it's a little.
I just found this on the floor.
Little shows the duck.
It's like a
It's a
Valentine's
little
one.
Valentine's one. How cool is that?
They had over 300 Valentine's one on Facebook.
Yeah, so now there's lots of different style ducks that people have hidden, so we need to try and find some more, don't we, Daisy?
Yeah, we found a yellow one.
Yeah.
Now we found a Valentine's.
We can have a little look later, can't we? Oh, you! So we've had a wander around, done some exploring. The ship's starting to come alive now as everyone wakes up, so we're just going to head to Cabanas to get a little bit more food before all the fun starts for PIXAR Day. Everyone is hard at work. It's honestly like, it's so clean because there's always people cleaning. Look at this. What a view. Hi. Hi. Had breakfast at Cabanas, second breakfast at Cabanas. We're now waiting on deck 4 to see Mike Wazowski. The girls have gone wild. They've had so much food, which is good. Like they needed it, didn't they? They needed some energy, and they've got it. We've got our first PIXAR snack. We found this marshmallow chocolate Rice Krispie treat, which was at the Vista Cafe, just in the corner here on deck 4. We're just waiting for Mike. Show him who you've got. Yay! Oh. Oh, I love her. So we're just here seeing the Toy Story Friends. This is in Animated Palette, and this is one that we had to book at 30 days. So it's Jessie and Buzz by the looks of it. So we're literally powering through the characters today. We're doing so well.
We'll keep an eye out.
Naughty Dante. You play the piano? Yeah, you can all play together. You can make a band.
Hey.
Deck 5.
Genie, Aladdin.
We have seen so many characters. Right, who have we seen? Let's go through. Miguel.
Where do we start? Oh.
Sadness.
Joy.
Mike. Jesse. Buzz. Is that everyone?
Yeah. Soldiers.
We saw the soldiers. We nearly saw Russell, but we just missed him.
Look.
It's been... There's Miguel, look. We've got so many amazing photos. It's been absolutely jam-packed. It's now almost 10:30. We're going to just chill out for a bit now. There is a pool party at 11:15, Chris's pool party, and we're going to go on the pool party. We're going to go on the AquaDuck, aren't we? The kids just want to get in that pool, so we're going to go do that.
Boiling.
Chill out for a bit, and then I think they wanted to go to kids club for a little bit, so I think that's the plan for the next couple of hours. But we've got so much done. There's loads of like trivia and animation academies and things that we could be doing, but we'll get round to that later. Is it warm? Oh, so yeah, we're just gonna chill out for a bit now because we've gone OTT on Pixar characters, but it's been incredible. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I've spoken on Instagram about the Facebook group for this cruise regularly, and one of the members said that she's coming from Canada if anybody wants anything, and I joked that I wanted a French vanilla latte or French vanilla coffee from Tim Hortons. It's like my favourite thing from Canada. And then we've literally just got back to our room, and look at this. There's a bag of Tim Hortons French vanilla, and she's put on there, "You've been Pixar dusted." From the Hill family. How incredible is that? Like, I just love Disney cruise people, because people do this, like, you'll just get random things hung on your door, being pixie dusted, but play on words for Pixar Day. It's just blow my mind. It's just amazing. We've come back, the room's all beautiful and clean, and the bed's been put away, so we're gonna go relax, aren't we? Yes, we're gonna go relax.
Yes.
Are you excited for AquaDuck?
I'm gonna get
Are you gonna scream?
I'm gonna go over the sea.
We are gonna go over the sea. It's beautiful weather outside. It's definitely calmed down, hasn't it? It has been pretty rocky.
I need the toy.
But it's calm now. Are you excited?
Yeah, I can.
So yeah, hopefully we'll have some GoPro footage of the AquaDuck. got a Monsters Inc. cupcake, did you say?
And then Incredibles cake.
Incredibles brownie. And then the girls have some Jello. Look at that.
Sweet on You is your onboard specialty confectionery, and it's located on deck 11 right beside Cabanas. From frozen desserts to sweet treats, it does come at an extra charge, but it is priced a lot lower than you would find in the parks, and there are so many delicious treats to choose from.
Hello, I'm just sat out on the veranda, so you can probably hear the ocean. It's just honestly so dreamy. It's just come up to 2 o'clock. The girls are just having a nap. It's very much needed. It usually takes us until day 3 or like the morning of day 3 to crack the jet lag. And there's a lot going on this afternoon and this evening, so we thought let's have them have a nap now, power through, have a late night, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll crack it because we're day 3 tomorrow. So fingers crossed that works, but they're snoozing in there. I just nipped a Too Sweet on You, would have seen, to pick a couple of PIXAR desserts ready for when they wake up, which is all part of the PIXAR Day at Sea. And Callum's just gone for a run in the gym, and then I think the plan is the kids are going to go to Kids Club. There's some things that they want to do this afternoon, some activities going on at Kids Club that they want to do, so they're going to go do that whilst we go and have a look at the adult only areas. I really fancy Cove Cafe coffee, so that's the plan. I just wanted to say, like, I know like we're quite far into the vlogs already now, I know I've skimmed over some things, but my plan is, so kind of like this morning I highlighted all of the bars and those kind of things to do on the ship. So each vlog what I'm going to do is just kind of like have a little focus on something. So I know that I've kind of said like, oh, we've been to Cabanas, and then I'm not showing Cabanas, but I will show the options available and stuff like that just on a later vlog. Yeah, I just don't want to go too like OTT in one go, so that's my plan with the vlogs, and then just to show you what we're getting up to. So sorry, I thought the kids were awake, but I think I can hear another stateroom making noise. So yeah, I'm just sat here, I'm just doing some like footage importing and things, and yeah, just chilling. I've got a bit of a headache. I don't think we're drinking enough. We've just said we need to drink. So yeah, it's gone a bit misty and overcast, but it's still really warm. I've now re-straightened my hair after the AquaDuck, which was incredible. It was so much fun. I always say, obviously, I've heard it and read it on lots of things, is on a sea day the pool deck just gets crazy busy, and it's true. It was really busy, but obviously it's because everyone is on the ship. But yeah, it's manageable. It's absolutely fine. We've not struggled to get a seat or anything like that. It's just be mindful that sea days it's definitely busy up there.
So we think this is Havana. We know it's Cuba, but Callum's just said he thinks it's Havana. So we're just asking our friends Greg and Katie to have a look for us, because weirdly we can get onto WhatsApp and our social media, but we can't get any internet on like Google or anything. So we've just asked them to see where we are and what that is to our left. But yeah, all we know is it's Cuba. There we go, to confirm. This is where we are, and that is Havana that we can see. And now I can't stop singing Havana, oh na na. This is the best office I've ever had. Oh hi.
The best office mate as well.
How was your run? Oh yeah, what did you just say?
So, because you end up facing towards one of the sides of the
You're on a horizontal rather than facing forwards.
Yeah, and when the boat moves, like, I could see some big waves we were hitting, and suddenly like you're running on the treadmill and you're like, whoa. So it was a challenge, but it was good. It's really nice in there. They do like, there's like online classes you can do and stuff as well.
Yeah, I've seen.
Treadmills.
We will
yes.
We'll cover that. I've explained that we're going to like focus on things. We'll show you the gym and in a vlog to come, but I can't see you because I've got my glasses on. There we go.
Fitness centre.
Fitness centre.
Fitness and wellbeing centre.
Fitness and wellbeing.
Centres.
Is the spa and everything up there as well? Oh, I'd love to go to the spa.
The adults only bit is
oh, I know. I can't wait to go to the adults only bit. We'll go see that in a little while. We're off to the adults area. Oh, it's busy. Oh, look, nice. Hot tub on the water. Oh, you can see all the steam. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Oh, this looks so nice.
So there's the spa and
oh, nice.
Oh, and there's seating up there as well. Whoa! So it took ages to focus. The light was really bright. It wasn't like the most delayed response. That is incredible. Look! Oh no, it's not incredible. It's Monsters Incredible. No, Monsters Incorporated. That is so cool. So anyway, we're at Cove Cafe. Callum got an oat milk latte. I got a iced regular latte. These are only $4.50. Which I think is really good. And then I just said to the guy, can you make the cocktail of the day here? And he was like, I can make you the cocktail of the day. And I was like, yes please. So I've got my cocktail of the day, which is, what was it, Cool Breeze, which is vodka, peach schnapps, cranberry and Sprite. Yeah. Is there anything else? I think that's it, but
Sprite's the schnapps.
Yeah. I've already tasted it. I tasted it again for you. So good. I don't drink a lot of vodka, do I?
No.
But that peach. Perfect.
Hey mate.
Oh, Walty boy.
No, he's all round.
Oh, I love him.
Oh, what a guy.
Love him.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away. Heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. Could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa.
I didn't vlog at all, but we came and sat out here and dipped our feet in the water. We've just popped our shoes down here and we've been sat at the bar by the adult only pool chatting to, I've forgotten his name. Did you look at his name?
No, I did.
This guy, he's so nice. So we've just been chatting to him, but we're gonna go for a bit of a wander before picking the girls up now. it's a bit rocky today. Are you alright? These are all of the sippers and popcorn buckets and stuff that you can get on for PIXAR Day. I love the boot, that's really cute. It's like a disco down here now, look, it's very busy down in the atrium, but Doug and Russell are there. And Remy is like under here. We're gonna hope to catch Remy later. But look at the lines now. I think we did the right thing, babe, doing all of the characters earlier. Silly's there too, look. So much going on. There's no way we could do everything. There's just literally so much going on and we are rocking about right now. It's pretty rocky. But it's fine, like we don't feel sick, it's just a bit like...
You either get somewhere really fast or really slow.
Yeah.
Hi, this is me, and this is what I look like when I'm feeling super nauseous. I just have to say this was the 1 hour of the whole trip where I experienced some seasickness. Apart from this, we were all absolutely fine for the entire cruise, but this night, I did not eat my dinner.
So dinner was a bit of a write-off for me because I'm feeling so woozy, but actually it's better I think it's the fresh air.
Yeah.
It's better up here. So we're on top deck, ready for the PIXAR Pound celebration. And we've decided to come onto the higher level.
Yesterday it was so hot not to be warm.
Yeah, we couldn't really see, could we, down there?
Now we've got a seat there and we can get...
Here we go, look! Woohoo!
She is so beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. You look really good. You look a bit like a granny. Yeah.